Hello everyone, this is another video about RS Logic, and today we are going to talk about another Allen Bradley PLC. And you can see here we have, first of all, I'm going to explain you the hardware part of that whole setup, this panel. That's about Allen Bradley PLC. This is the power supply. And the next thing in line is logic. You can see here 5563. And then we have a redundancy module, then we have control net, Ethernet, and you can see Ethernet/IP. And you have power supply again, another module, and then you have redundancy module. One is the main PLC, one is the redundant PLC. If main fails, in any case, redundant will take over the job. Then we have control net module and Ethernet/IP. We will talk about every module in detail, but for now you just have a look of the hardware. So here you can see another power supply, and then you have control net. Then you have different digital ins and digital outputs coming from the field. From there you have a digital input card and output. And then you have analog input and analog output cards. This is your DC input, this is input, this is a digital input. And you can see here these are digital outputs. And then you have analog input, and you can see there's another analog input. There are some relays down there. If you get any output connected to some final control elements, like lights for example, that have to be passed through the relays. So before that we have another panel where we have signals coming from the field, and there are TVs where we have termination. From there on, the signals are actually coming to bio cards. There are digital ins and digital output cards, and also analog in and analog output card. So that's about the hardware view of that.